Hello everyone, today we are going to make the 5 LED blinking project. Here we require 5 LEDs, 5 1K ohm resistor, 1 breadboard, 1 Arduino Uno board and a USB cable. As we know, an LED has 2 pins. The larger pin is the anode and the shorter pin is the cathode. Now, place the LED on the breadboard in such a way that the cathode of the LED is connected to the negative line of the breadboard. In the same way, place the remaining 4 LEDs on the breadboard. Now take the Arduino board and the 1K ohm resistors, connect one terminal of the resistor to the anode of the LED and the other terminal to pin 9 of the Arduino board. Similarly, connect the remaining 4 LEDs to the Arduino board from pin number 10 to pin number 13 to the 1K ohm resistor and some jumper wires. We have connected all the LEDs anode to the Arduino pin. Now, take another wire, connect it to the negative line of the breadboard and to the ground pin of the Arduino board. Our connection is completed.
Coding for 5 LED blinking. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. In the word setup function, we will declare all our 5 LEDs as output. For that, use the pin mode function and inside the pin mode, give the first pin as 30 and give the mode as output. So here we have declared the LED connected to pin 13 as output. Similarly, use the pin mode function to declare all the 5 LEDs as output. Our LEDs are connected from pin 13 to pin 9 on the Arduino board. So we will change the pin number to 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. Our LEDs are declared as output. Now we will do the coding. For turning on the LEDs for 1 second, we will use the function digital write. So type digital write and inside the digital write function, give the pin number as 13 for the first LED and then write add. So here we have turned on the LED connected to pin 13 on the Arduino board and then we will give a delay of 1 second. So with the help of this code, our LED will turn on for 1 second. Now we need to do the coding to turn off our LED for another 1 second. So just copy this code and paste it, and in the second digital write function, instead of high, type low. This will turn off our LED for 1 second. So these are the code for turning on the LED connected to pin 13 for 1 second and then turning it off for another 1 second. Similarly, we will do the same coding for all the pins. So we can just copy this code and duplicate it and change the pin number. Our coding for 5 LED blinking is done. Now we will verify our code. It's showing done compiling. That means there are no error in this code. Now from tool select the Arduino Uno board and then from port select the COM port and then click on the upload button. Our code is uploaded to the Arduino board.
As you can see, all the LEDs are blinking one by one.